Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to knit the cable stitch. With the cable stitch you can create complex and beautiful patterns like this 2x2 cable or a 3x3 cable or the wishbone cable and even the honeycomb cable. All you need is a little cable needle. You need to know how to knit the knit stitch and the purl stitch. You will need a little bit of patience, but other than that, it's perfect for beginners. So let's dive right into it. So the idea behind a cable stitch is easy. It boils down to knitting stitches in a different order by sliding them on a cable needle and knitting stitches further to the left first. You can cross a cable to the left and to the right. There are many different cable needles, but for beginners I recommend needles that look like this one. Why? Because they're fairly easy to knit with, and as you will see in a few seconds, the V shape keeps the needles from accidentally sliding out of the stitches. We'll start with the left cable cross. A typical cable is surrounded by purl stitches, so I'm quickly going to purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. So here is where I want to perform a left cable cross. And so what you have to do is you have to pick up your cable needle and slip the first 2 stitches onto your cable needle. If you were to knit a 3x3 cable, you'd have to slip 3 stitches, but we'll just slip 2 stitches here. And then slide the stitches towards the center where the little V is and let it hang in front of your work. And now just knit the next 2 stitches, keeping a high tension on the yarn so you close the gap. 2 stitches. And now pick up the cable needle again. Slide the stitches towards the pointed end and knit these 2 stitches. And now you can put the cable needle to the side again and continue knitting. And we created our first left cable cross. Let's do it one more time. Pick up the cable needle, slide the first 2 stitches onto your cable needle, secure the stitches in the middle and let it hang in front. Then knit 2 stitches as normal and then pick up the cable needle again. Slide the stitches towards the pointed end and knit 2 stitches. Then put the cable needle to the side and continue knitting, keeping a high tension so you don't create any gaps. And that's how you knit the left cable cross. So let's take a look at the right cable cross. You will knit the right cable cross in the exact same way. The only difference is that you will keep the cable needle in the back of your work. So we slip 2 stitches onto your cable needle, but now we bring it to the back of our work. So here's our cable needle and then we knit 2 stitches, keep in high tension to close the gap. You knit 2 stitches and then you pick up the cable needle again and you knit those 2 stitches. I hope you can see this now. So you knit those 2 stitches. Then you can put the cable needle to the side again and continue knitting again. Keep a high tension so you close the gap. Let's do it one more time. We slip 2 stitches, 1, 2. Then we bring the cable needle to the back. Then we knit 2 stitches. Then we pick up our cable needle again. Slide the stitches to the front. and we knit 2 stitches as normal. Then we can put the cable needle to the side and continue knitting. And that's how you do the right cable cross. You keep the cable needle in the back. On the return row, you knit all stitches the way they appear. The cable stitches will appear like purl stitches, so you purl across them, and the purl rows in between will appear like knit stitches, so you would have to knit these. So let's take a look at what we created here. Here we had the first 2 crosses were left crosses, so as you can see, these cables appear to twist to the left, and here we have 2 right crosses, and the cables they twist towards the right. Typically you want to space out the crossings, so on the next row you would just knit across all stitches, so that would be in this case 4 purl stitches, then knit 4, purl 2, knit 4, purl 2, knit 4, purl 2, knit 4, purl 4. And the return row the same, and so on, and 3 or 5 rows after that you can do another crossing. You can also cross 3 stitches, then you will create a 3x3 cable. And there's also the wishbone cable, which is a combination of 2 cables, or the honeycomb cable, which again is a combination of multiple cables next to each other, and you alternate between left and right crosses. I'll link you the patterns in the description below. Anyway, that's it. That's how you knit the cable stitch. It's fairly easy, and it's so great to get creative with. My next video will be about knitting the cable stitch without this cable needle. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and happy knitting or happy cabling.